What's up, guys? This is a long past overdue video for how to install Windows on your Mac, and I do apologize for that. It's been a crazy couple of weeks, but anyways, yeah. So this is gonna be a quick run through on pretty much all the basics and everything that you need. So before we get started, what you need, obviously your Mac. Windows installation CD. I got this Dell one right here. And your driver CDs that came with your Mac. All right. So then what you're gonna do is you're gonna use this program called Bootcamp. I'm gonna be doing it with Bootcamp. There are other programs out there that does the same thing, but Bootcamp comes with every Mac out there now. So yeah, I'm gonna be using that. Okay, now actually before I get started, I want to issue my little disclaimer. This video is for education purposes only, and I'm not responsible for anything that happens to your system. So whatever you do is your decision. Guys, I forgot to mention, before you do anything, back up all your data. You shouldn't lose anything, but it's always a good idea to have all your data backed up. Okay, let's get started. So from your main window here, you're gonna go into Finder, and then you're gonna go Applications. You're gonna scroll down to Utilities and double click that, and you're gonna find Bootcamp Assistant. Now, if you're having a little trouble finding it here, you can always just type boot. Sorry, it takes two O's. Bootcamp, and it'll pop up. Now, then you have Bootcamp Assistant here. Double click that, and it will bring you to a window over here, the introduction window. Now, this window is basically, your intro to like how to set up everything, and they tell you to this little guide here. They tell you to like install it and print it and read through it, but it's like 30 pages long, and that's a lot of reading. I actually didn't do it myself. But after you get past that, you get to create a partition for Windows. Now, what this is basically how much room you're gonna have for your Windows operating system, like how much storage space you're going to allow. So you just click this tab here and you drag it to how much ever you want it. I'm not gonna be doing a lot with it, so I'm just gonna put it 32, and yeah. Okay, now it's going to start the partitioning. Um, it's going to start partitioning the disk, so it's going to start dividing it. So this is taking quite some time. In this time, I guess I will explain the different kind of formats that you can have the choice of using. So when you format your hard drive, it's gonna you have two choices: FAT32, which is the old Windows program, or the new NTSC, which I would recommend for you. You can use FAT32 if you're going to be transferring a lot of files from your Mac to your Windows. Like if you have a program that you're using on your Mac, but you want to transfer the files directly to your Windows side, I would suggest FAT32. But for everybody else, for like normal uses and everything, it's a lot less headache, and it's a lot faster, and it's just a lot better to use NTCS. Okay, now it's gonna ask me to insert my CD, and I won't be able to record my screen, so I'm gonna switch over to my video camera, and I'm gonna show you guys that. Now I'm using a 32-bit Windows Vista. You can use 32-bit Windows Vista Home Premium. These are the options that you have: 32-bit Windows XP Home Edition, Professional, Service Pack 2, or later. Windows Vista Home Basic, Home Premium, Business, or Ultimate. And I believe you can use Windows 7 now. I haven't tried it, because I haven't gotten Windows 7 yet. But as soon as I do, I will make a video about that as well. Okay. On to my camera. So Insert your Windows disk when you get to this window over here. Alright, once you do that, you click Start Installation. Okay, and there it goes. Okay, you have your little service agreement. I accept. Okay. Okay, now here is where a lot of people get confused and they install. Okay, now here you have a list of all the partitions that are on the hard drive. And a lot of people, what they do is they don't know and they will just install on their Mac hard drive and they'll lose all their files and everything. Now what you want to do is look for, like I made the 50 gig, so I'm going to select this one, the bootcamp partition, which is 3. So whatever, if you selected 32 gig, it should be 32 gig and it should say bootcamp on it. So be sure to select that. Okay, so what happened is I'm installing Windows Vista, and Vista can only be installed in NTFS hardware format. So this is FAT32, so what I'm going to do is format it. Now once I do that, it says all of the files and everything will be deleted on that. That's okay, because I don't have anything on that partition. Be sure that's the one that's selected. Alright, it's going to format it. It looks like it's already done. You click next, and now it's starting to copy all the files. Okay, so now you have Windows on your Mac. Kind of an abomination. Anyways, so now that you're here, you are going to want to install all your drives, because your eyesight, your right click isn't going to be working. So what you want to do is go over here to computer. Okay, and on computer over here, you're gonna select your Windows installation CD. Go on eject, so you want to take that out. Now you take the CD out, and you put in, just gonna close that. You put in your driver CD that you got with your Mac. Okay. That's it. There you go. You have Windows on your Mac. Yeah, all you have to do is hold down your option button whenever you boot up to choose if you're going to boot up into Windows or your Mac. And follow the steps and you should be fine installing it. Make sure to put, I did this like in 40 minutes. Make sure to have at least an hour to do this. Alright, this was the video on how to get Windows on your Mac, and I will catch you guys later.